Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to reverse a withdrawal on Betway. First, log in to your Betway account using your username and password. Once you are logged in, go to the My Account at the top of the screen. Inside your account, click on Transaction or the Withdrawal History. If the withdrawal is still pending, you may be able to receive or cancel it. Look for the button that says Cancel Withdrawal or Reserve. Click on it to confirm your choice. Once confirmed, the money will return to your Betway account balance. If the withdrawal is already processing or approved, it cannot be received. At this point, you must contact customer support. To do this, go to the help section and choose live chat or contact us. Support may ask for your username, the withdrawal amount, the date of withdrawal. If the withdrawal has not been completed, they may still be able to stop it for you. And that's it. That's all for today's video, guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.